Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It's Curtis Hyde here with Colorado Computer Support. As always, I appreciate you hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Well, for this week's chat, we're going to be just diving in and talking about how can you take Google Sheets and open it with Microsoft Excel, and how can you take an Excel sheet and open inside of Google Sheets. So we're going to be vice versa, back and forth. Hopefully I don't make it too confusing, but let's go ahead and let's jump right into it. So let's say if someone sends you a Microsoft Excel file, you work with Google, how can you open it in Google Sheets? Very simple. All you're going to do is take that file they sent you, drag and drop it into your Google Drive. As soon as you drop it in your Google Drive, you're just going to right click on it, hover on top of open with, and then all you're going to do is click Google Sheets. Boom, and it's going to take that Microsoft Excel file and open it inside of Google Sheets. So let's do the exact opposite now. Let's say if you have a Google Sheet, you want to take it to Microsoft Excel. So all you're going to do inside of the web browser you have it open is going to of where that Google Sheet lives. You're going to click File. You're going to go down to where in your hover over Download, and inside of Download you're going to click Microsoft Excel. That is going to download it into a file that is Microsoft Excel. So when you download it, you double click it, and then it's going to open inside in Microsoft Excel. So I hope it didn't make it too confusing. You can take them back and forth, and that may happen just in case someone is working in a different suite than you are, but allows you to be able to stay inside of your native area with Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. As always, if you have any questions or anything else that may be driving you nuts inside of your business when it comes to IT, we'd love to chat with you about that to see if we're potentially the right fit to take care of that with you. As always, you can feel free to reach out to us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. I appreciate as always for hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next time.